Feathered chain stitch looks elaborate, but it's made using a variation of lazy daisy stitch, which is also called detached chain stitch, and the elegant zigzag pattern emerges from simple steps. You can see I've marked out columns which help to keep the stitches the same size. The needle comes up at 1 on the right hand side and goes back down at the same point. Leave a loop and bring the needle up inside it in line with column 2. The anchor stitch stretches over to column 3, creating a diagonal line with points 1 and 2. The next stitch begins at point 4 and travels back across the columns in the same way by making a loop and stretching the anchor stitch back to column 2. The pattern starts again in column 1 and zigzags down until your chain is finished. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.